Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase A, lowercase a, uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase C, lowercase c, uppercase D, lowercase d, uppercase E, lowercase e, uppercase F, lowercase f. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for carrot. C is for car. D is for duck. D is for door. E is for elevator. E is for egg. F is for fish. F is for flag. Uppercase A, lowercase a, uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase C, lowercase c, uppercase D, lowercase d, uppercase E, lowercase e, uppercase F, lowercase f. Please like and subscribe to my channel.